Oh yeah, so today we have new pigeons. So this is a cock, white flight. I'm not gonna, but yeah, it's a cock. There's a stunning bird. I'm gonna do breeding with him. Yeah, this is a whitey, not a whitey. You can say it's a grizzle. It's a female. Yeah, and then we got this youngster. So I don't know if it's now a grizzle, but we're gonna say it's a grizzle. There's that youngster. Beautiful youngster. Then we got this cock. I'm not gonna say it's a chick. I'm not gonna say it's a blue ball. I'm gonna say it's a white flight. And then, yeah, that's the cock. I'm gonna do breeding with him also. Then this is a white flight. I'm just gonna say it's a cover pie. It has white in it. Yeah. As you guys can see, they're eating now. They tamed, guys. They tamed. So yeah. Other guy brought me this pigeon. So all I wanna tell him is thank you. I appreciate it.